Look at my cute little catty. Say hi, Bellamy. Okay, well, bye. Hi, you guys, and welcome back to Vani's Beauty Vlog. So today, I actually had some things to return at Target yesterday, and I got a merchandise, credit card, store credit thing. So I decided to make it a mission, go to the makeup section and only shop things that were under $2. So I got 3 things. One of the things was not under $2, and that is only because I really wanted it. So we'll see how that works. So the first thing I got was this Maybelline lipstick. It's kind of like a brown shade. It's shade 775, Raging Raisin. And I got this for $1.64. It looks like this. Okay. And then you can see the color here. If you see some lipstick on the side there, or because it's a little muddy, I did use it already, so. I didn't get to see the shade of it completely because I topped it with another lipstick, so we'll see how this looks really quick. So we're just gonna go for it. Ooh. Okay. So the application is not the best, but that doesn't matter. We're looking at the shade right now. I like it. It's almost like brown, but it's got plum in it as well. It's really pretty. I do like it. I think it's a pretty shade. Now, I don't know if it was this lipstick or the lipstick that I had on with it. I was wearing Anastasia lip gloss over this one earlier, so I don't know if it was this one or the Anastasia, but I did have a lot of bleeding coming out, like not like blood, but like lipstick bleeding. Like you could kind of see it going through like the little lines in my skin here, out of my lips. And it was not kiss proof or straw proof or water bottle proof or like nothing proof, okay? Like it didn't matter what I touched, it transferred to it. So I don't know, was that Anastasia? Was that Maybelline? Who knows? But for that reason, I'm kind of just gonna like play it safe and just be a little bit more cautious when I use this lipstick. I like the shade, I think it's pretty. I would like to know what it lasts like, so that is that. And then again, it was $5.49. I got it for $1.64. So there's that. So the next thing I got, which I couldn't contain myself and I did try it out a little bit. This is the...
You'll never know.
I don't know what the hell it's called. It's been discounted many times. Was $9.99, now $6.98. Was $6.98, now $3.49. Was $3.49, now $2.98. Palette lipstick thing, I'll just kind of read around it, I guess. I think it's by Soap & Glory, lip contouring crayon. It says, get gorgeous, fuller, curvier looking lips now. Prepare yourself. Did her lips actually increase in size or had contouring magic trick the eyes? Lip contouring, it's beautifully easy. Okay. And it's got directions. It says, use the matte color to line and reshape your lips. That's French. Use the matte color, soften the edges with a few streaks and shade triangles in the corners of your lips. Use the shine shade to fill and blend. Outstanding. Was safety tested on a skeptical group of girls who speedily traded their doubts for pouts.
Well,
they're so extra. And I did mess around with this one earlier. And then again, this one is $9.99 and I got it for $2.98. So let's just see how this goes. So we're gonna line our lips with the matte side, and that one's this side right here, the skinnier side. So we're gonna line. So now that we've lined, we're gonna fill in the corners here. Okay. We filled in the corners, and then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go around our lips and just do some lines going up and then down here. Okay. So now that we did that, we kind of have like a base, and we're gonna take the fat end, which again I did use, so I'm sorry it's a little jacked, but this is the shimmery end, and we're just gonna fill it in. And I think off the rip, I mean the color's pretty. This color is Cherry Up. So it's got the pink tones in there. It is red, but it's definitely got some pink tones in there. It's pretty. I think it's a little bit too thick for my liking. I feel like I've got a lot of lipstick on, and I'm not a fan of that feeling. But I think it's not necessarily ombre like it's supposed to be. I know it says like lip contouring, so it's supposed to make your lips look bigger, which is cool, I guess. I don't know if my lips look bigger.
No.
No. I mean, I'm assuming, I don't really like to, I like overlining with my lipstick lingerie. I don't know about overlining with all the other stuff, so. But yeah, no, I think it's definitely pretty. Again, it's just a matter of how long it lasts, so we'll see about that. And then I'm assuming if you really wanted to overline and reshape, you could definitely do that. I did not, but I think you could definitely use it in that sense. I think it'll be good for that. And again, that was $2.98. This is the one that I did not buy under $2 because I just really wanted to try it out. And then the last thing I bought, which I will not be testing out because I just did my nails last night, is Sally Hansen nail polish in the color Giant Peach. It looks like this, and I got it because it was 74 cents, and I legit have like 2 nail colors and they both look the same like that. So I wanted to get something a little different. Summer's coming up, spring's coming up, so sometime soon I'll be able to use this color. Well, it's nail polish and it looks like it's all in there. It's gonna work. Again, I'm not gonna try this out right now, but when I do, I'll definitely post about it and let you guys know what I think. I'm a little concerned about how this color is going to look against my skin tone. I feel like it's a little bit too close to my skin tone. So aside from that, I think it's going to wear really well. And Sally Hansen is typically really good about lasting a while. So I'm excited about that. So yeah, that is that. So in total, I spent about, what, 2, 3, 4, 5... So $7 on makeup, and that was just shopping the clearance section at Target. You guys can go to Target and see their makeup and nail polish is gonna have little yellow stickers like this. Typically e.l.f. and Maybelline and Revlon, like all of the lines have a couple things in their section that are clearance. Typically, it's really weird. So for example, this nail polish, there was 3 of these left. This one was 74 cents. There was one that was the exact same color and everything that was $1.50, and the other one was like $3. So, or well, not $3 because this is $2.50. So, you know, they're all different prices. So just make sure that when you are buying, if you happen to see that there's multiple of the same product, check all of them and make sure that you're getting the cheapest one. I don't know why they do that. Maybe they forget to mark them down, or maybe it's been there for longer. That's what Taylor and I came up with yesterday. So I don't know what the reason is, but whatever the reason may be, make sure that you're checking. Clearance section at Target.
She's on sale.
I'm on sale for 40 cents. 74 cents. Nah, bitch, I'm expensive as hell. That's my husband. But yeah, make sure you check that out. And I think overall, I'm really excited about what I got. So with that being said, shop cheap, stay pretty, wear glitter, and like, comment, subscribe. wherever it's gonna be around me or in front of you or wherever.